has always been with technology. Most recently, I was up at IBM maintaining the equipment that's used to build computer chips. Many different steps. It takes months to build one computer chip. Of course, they're made in groups of thousands and whatnot. But as a field engineer, my job was to make sure that the machines kept running, make sure they were within spec, repair, preventive maintenance, these types of things. So it was a pretty high-tech job. We had hundreds of robots rolling around on the ceilings. They were used to actually transport the work from one type of machine to another type of machine that does a different step in the process. My education has mostly been hands-on and different courses that I took at many different companies where I worked. In the computer industry, before we had this Microsoft certification and so on, each computer company would send you for training on the basics of computers as well as their particular technology used in their computers. And since I worked at more than a dozen of these different types of companies, I got the training over and over again. Thought of my jobs that I had in my career as really getting paid to do my hobby, because in many instances, the equipment that I was using at work was in some cases identical and often similar to what I had in my garage and work I was doing. I've always been tinkering and inventing, owned a telescope, those types of things. I've taken telescopes and automated them, an automatic tracking system many years ago for satellite tracking, that type of thing. No, mostly I just use telescopes, particularly for taking pictures of artificial satellites. It's kind of tricky to actually get a picture of one. And I like to do things that are tricky and hard to do. So working here at the planetarium is just like the culmination of having fun and getting paid for it, you know. I guess that's the best way to put it, really. I get to see more stars here in the planetarium than I see in my backyard in Brooklyn.